Now we're going to prepare some braised rice. So this can go several different ways. We're actually going to do ours entirely on the stove, but it can be done on the stove to start off with and then going into the oven to cook. So we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil here. You can use butter though, that would be perfectly fine. We're going to melt this through, and now at this stage you could also include into the pan some onions. It's very traditional, it gives lots of flavor. We're looking for a fairly neutral flavored rice dish here. So we're going to go with 2 cups of rice, and because we're going with 2 cups of rice, we always double the amount of liquid. You have choices here. You can use stock, you can use some white wine in there as well if you wanted. We're actually just going to use water. Again, we're looking for a fairly neutral rice dish in this instance. I'm going to stir this through. You can hear it kind of crackling away a little bit. Just going to stir this through for just a minute or two. And then after that, we're going to add in our water, our 4 cups of water with our 2 cups of rice. We're going to simmer it gently on the stovetop for 15 minutes, and it'll all be ready, nice and fluffy, all separated out into individual grains. Now we just lift the lid off, and as you can see, perfect every time. Just fluff it up with a fork. All the grains separate out nicely, perfectly cooked every time.